Today, we're diving into a time-saving technique that will revolutionize your testing approach. We all know the importance of thorough testing, but creating a detailed plan can be a real challenge. But don't worry, I'm about to show you how to create a mind map of your testing strategy in minutes, using the power of AI and a handy mind mapping tool. So, let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is ask any large language model to help you list down the main points and subpoints to thoroughly test your application. We'll be using ChatGPT, but you can also explore other options like Google's Gemini or Microsoft Copilot. Here's my prompt. You are a software testing expert who can advise on how to test different kinds of softwares. I will provide you with the details about the product. Your task is to create a mind map of the testing approach that can be imported into a mind mapping software. When creating the mind map, list main topics, subtopics, and the specific actions to perform thorough testing. I have also provided the placeholder for product description and the output format. Now, I'll paste my requirements. This is to test a POS app mobile application that can perform several key functions, like order management, payment processing, inventory organization, digital receipts, reporting, and analytics. Now let's run the prompt. Here we go. ChatGPT has listed the main points to effectively test the POS app. Let's copy the generated content. Once we have copied the generated content, we'll save it as a Markdown file using VS Code. You can use any text editor you like. Create a new file and save it as a Markdown file. Then paste the content that we copied from ChatGPT. Markdown is a simple formatting language that allows XMind, our next tool, to understand the structure of your notes. Now, let's head over to XMind, a powerful mind mapping software. I already have XMind installed on my machine. If you don't have XMind, you can download it from their official website. Open a new basic mind map file. Next, from the File menu, choose the Import option and import your saved Markdown file. XMind will instantly transform your text into a stunning, visual mind map. You've got a clear testing roadmap in minutes, ready to be fleshed out with specific test cases. No more tedious brainstorming about the testing requirements. This powerful combo of ChatGPT and XMind can transform your testing workflow. Let AI do the heavy lifting and focus your energy on what you do best: strategic thinking, creative problem solving, and uncovering those tricky edge cases. Try this technique out on your next project and see how much time you save. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. Happy testing!